up, everybody? Monster Mike here, the first motovlog of 2020. Solid 3 degrees Celsius. Cold. Well, I hope everybody's staying safe with the whole coronavirus quarantine everywhere. I know here in Quebec it's pretty much, today's the last day for everything. Pretty much, you know, other than grocery stores, pharmacies and stuff, everything's shut down. Even the, you know, bike dealerships, garages, all that stuff are all shutting down. Bike's due for its Desmo, and I'm going to work later this week, so it won't be ready until like I won't be back until May. So I'm going to go drop the bike and get them to do the Desmo while I'm away, and then hopefully this whole coronavirus is done and over with by the time I get home. And completely new vlog setup. Instead of my old Senna 10C, this is a full GoPro. All I know is the SC project sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. So changes this year to the bike were just the bar end mirrors, and the SC project for now we'll be doing integrated tail light and changing the front turn signals, just you know, clean up the bike a little bit. I think that's all I have planned for now. I don't know about any of you guys, but you know how sometimes you'll pull behind a big truck or some kind of vehicle and you get like a random engine smell or oil smell or something like that. It just makes you wonder, like, is it my bike? I've never been a huge advocate of the whole loud pipe save lives, but I will say it does make people pay a little bit more attention to you. Most people also being cops too, so it's not exactly, it's not the best idea, but hey, just got to be careful. There's been lots of cops out lately. I hope everybody's been fairly responsible with the whole social distancing thing. I've been doing pretty good. Only going out for, you know, a couple times here and there, just to get a couple things. I hope I was not speeding for that speed trap. That's all I can say. Got the bridge at the last second. Also, I don't want to hear any comments about not being responsible because I'm out and about. Because I'm not actually, it's not like I'm going out for a coffee. I would love to do that, but coffee shops are closed. So, not happening. I believe I already mentioned it, but taking the bike down to Montreal. As of today, 9 o'clock, they're closed until April 13th because of the coronavirus quarantine. But I want the bike to be there so they can do the Desmo once it's done. Hopefully by then it's done. It's a beautiful day though. God. So yeah, I don't know, I have another probably 15-20 minutes to go before I get to where I need to go. Doing pretty good. Can't complain. Fingers are getting cold though. Oh. So it's bad. My left hand I can move. Right hand not so much. Get some speed. Let the throttle go. Nobody behind me. Warm up the fingers. Warm up the fingers. Cool. Random subject. on the bar ends. But, you know, the stock mirrors are actually the same bolts that hold on the brackets for the clutch reservoir and the brake fluid. No biggie, it's all good. Go to put the original bolts back in, you know, and they're like half an inch too big. No biggie, you know, find one, it's not so bad. Install it, we're all good. Go to the right hand side, it's a left hand thread, and nobody sells left hand thread bolts anywhere. So just happened to, you know, go through some hardware that my dad had, and, you know, found a spacer. Doesn't look the cleanest, but it'll do the job for now. Mr. Tesla's in a hurry. I'm doing 125 and he passed me pretty good. Okay, I'll let him get the ticket, not me. Sawdust. Anybody else from Montreal? Anybody know the seasons? Winter, still winter, almost winter, and construction season. I hate when people don't look where they're going. That's always fun. One thing about the coronavirus, can't really say it's a good thing, but okay, it's a less negative. No traffic. The economy's tanking, but no traffic. Cruising, cruising, cruising. And we're there. Let me see how dirty the bike is. Oh, it's a little dirty. It's not as bad as, it's a little dirty. Just a little. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe.